Gutigana na roboti uru rwaye Erikimaube hunabeire kagutwerera nigo bono Ekomiti ya Chisemi ime ye Bunge nigo ya nyarege Koringoria ekyombe gia minute nabo igo enyagitari ya Bliss amo nababwatani bande abo bakorwa insurance cover gochase abalimu nigo Ekomiti yo yanyalire Koringoria buna enibo ya abalimu eri bakonachwa ekikeria egochi yaikirania gose buna ekonyara ke gutumika boigo nigo Ekomiti yo ye Chisemi nigo yatebire buna abalimu nigo bakonachwa chipilioni 53 kero mwaka sekolende kero bakugenda zicinye gitari tibari konyora obogwenya buna ebweneta gusebokonyi bonde bwensi asebone nyegitali eyo ya police amona area ya minute insurance cyatebigwe koira na chitariki sano omutienyo gocha eri koiraniria amabolyo nabo igo kwerera buna chibese cyo abarimu bakonachwa buna chigo chichi atumekwa ekiagera nigo abarimu abawika ase chinyegitali nabo igo tibakonyora obokonyi tunyoroboti urasinchira yubwime.
The institution that we were actually looking into here was the issue of Teachers Medical Scheme, which was contracted by the Teacher Service Commission. It was contracted way back in 2015 to one medical insurance cover led by Minet as the lead consortium, with many other insurance providers. Over the years, there has been outcry by the teachers in the members of the public that one, the teachers have actually cried about poor services by the medical insurance provider. And in this particular case, the committee took steps and invited the Teacher Service Commission. The Teacher Service Commission appeared before this committee early in the year. We went over a raft of issues and asked the Commission a number of questions. And the Commission not able to answer many of the questions. And the committee felt that it is good that we invite the insurance provider itself. And the members of Parliament who are here today have heard a lot of complaints from the public. The public here is the teacher, about the scheme, the benefits, the delays, the pre-authorization, the co-pay, and many other issues. One, they were not able to provide the members with the report of the committee on time. So members were not able to interrogate their report quite on time. We allowed them to take us through. However, along the way, they faltered, especially in the way they were answering questions. They were not able to answer questions factually. It even made the committee members also realized that because they were not prepared, we asked them to go back, come up with specific questions and facts, especially on the co-pay. What did they do with the co-pay? Yet the government has paid 53 billion shillings. Why are they charging a teacher 100 shillings? And you know the insured group is about 1 million. So for every visit, for example, they gave us an example. They visited 3 million times. Times 100 shillings, that is 300 million per year. That is on the minimum side. Somebody would have visited severally. And then two, these people have been in this for about 10 years. So all those plus pre-authorization, you are members of the fourth estate. You know very well that you can be sick. And if you go to hospital today, you are told, come next, don't come tomorrow, come after some time. And many other issues which we felt we want to make this scheme work for the teacher of the Republic of Kenya. We want to make this scheme be accountable for the people of the Republic of Kenya. So we as a Committee of Education, we said, let them go back, let them prepare well, and we shall actually look on those issues on 5th of